Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're on Troy-Schenectady Road, Route 7. We're headed west. We're going to go from Latham, New York, out to Schenectady. Let's go check it out. So we're just getting off the exit. This is exit 6 off I-87. Now there's two ways you can go from here. You can take a right and you can head out to Latham. Takes you to Route 2, Waterville, things like that. But we're gonna head out west on Route 7, Troy-Schenectady Road, head out to Niskayuna area. Beautiful little area, so let's go check it out right now. Right here, we're coming up upon Wade Road. And one thing to keep in mind, if you were to take a right, that would be Wade Road Extension. If you were to take a left, that would be regular Wade Road or just Wade Road. Either way. All right, so if you were to take a right, that takes you to a lot of the big box stores, things like that. There's a Target down the way. Sonic, as you can see, is Stort Shop. There's also a Community Care Health Physicians Park. Now, if we were to take a left, we go down there. There's a lot of warehouses. It's a big truck route. If we keep going down, you can get on Old Niskayuna Road Extension, which takes you behind the Albany Airport, which is the landing field, which you will see in some of our previous videos. Alright guys, do me a favor, while I go in here and get this coffee, do me a favor, hit the like button, drop a comment in the comment section, and if you're new here to the channel, definitely subscribe, join us on this journey. Every one of those things that you do helps get our videos out there more and lets the YouTube algorithm know that our videos are important. Alright, so let's continue on with the tour. We're going to get back on Route 7 here, and we're going to be crossing the Albany Airport landing strip. Now, if you're lucky enough, once in a while you'll see some planes flying down through. It's really cool to see as you're driving through here, but don't get too caught up in the views too much, because there is a lot of traffic down this area that we're getting into, and stop and go traffic happens quite a bit. So be careful as we come up upon, I think it's Albany Shaker Road and Troy-Schenectady Road intersection. So just be careful of that. Alright guys, so check this out. We're getting into Niskayuna area right now. Right when you hit Rosendale Road, that's the intersection that we're at. Now just remember, you can take a right on Rosendale Road. You can still go into Niskayuna as well. There's a bike trail on there, so if you're into biking, you can hit the bike trail. It's right around the corner once you get on the road. But we're going to continue on Route 7, Troy-Schenectady Road. Just keep on heading out towards Schenectady, Niskayuna area. Hopefully you guys enjoy the views. Check it out. right, guys, that's it for today on this narrated video from Latham to Schenectady on Troy-Schenectady Road, Route 7 West, all right? Don't forget, we will be releasing our regular content, which is unnarrated version, and it's just driving, but we decided to try something new here, maybe a little bit of a narrated version, maybe speed it up a little bit for those who don't have time to watch the long form content. So other than that, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and we're gonna get off on Union Street and go check out Schenectady. Other than that, hopefully you guys have a great day. We'll see you soon.